Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to run and set up cron jobs and Unix based systems or servers. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to know about cron jobs, that in order to set up cron jobs on any server or any Unix based system, first you need to make sure that the cron job is enabled on that system. So to do that you can use the command sudo systemctl and then the status of the cron.service. So now as you can see it is disabled. So if this is disabled and you are running cron jobs, it is not going to execute any cron job. And now here you can see the status is also inactive, which means it is currently dead. So in order to enable this, you can use the command that is systemctl and then enable and the cron.service. So now this is going to enable that service. If I check the status again, as you can see it is now enabled, but it is currently inactive or dead. To make it active, we can use the command start systemctl start cron.service. And now if I see the status again, status, so if I can type status correctly, now as you can see it is up and running, and now it is enabled. So now we can use the cron job for executing tasks. So now we can check like what are the current top files the current user. So if I type crontab take L, it will display all the jobs that the user has running. So now if I type this, as you can see, passing take L flag will list the user cron tabs or jobs, and take or will delete the user jobs. So here we can pass the user as well. So like if I pass tag u and the user I'm as Kali. So if I as you can see it says no cron tab for Kali user. So that's how you can check the cron tabs that are running for a specific user. Now to let's add a specific or simple task to cron job. So let's say I am currently in this directory, so I will go to temp directory. If I have the temp directory here, now currently this is empty. So let's say I want to execute a simple task using cron job. So I will create a simple script, and the script will be just simple. Let's say I want to echo that, yeah. So the script will be something like that, will be going to um, execute this command. Like it will write the current date to the directory with that date. So if I execute this and ls in the current directory, as you can see, this is the it created this file with the current name, and the content is that as well. So if I care that it contains just that characters as I mentioned right here. So this is the task that I'm going to assign to cron job, and it will be executing that every minute and creating files with that date. So as you can see, it is now 140 and 55. So let's remove this one. It is empty. Now let's create a script. Let's call it script.sh, not echo, use nano. And let's just type that command. We can use shebang, but let's leave that for now. So I will just type echo update and type this to the file with that name. So if I save this and ls in the current directory, we have the script here. So I will execute it like this, and if I ls here, we have the directory created. So let's remove that, and yeah, now currently this is it don't have executable permission, so we can add that permission as well. So chmod, and for all user a plus x, for execution permission for all user, and the script name. So if I type ls take again, you can see it has execute all of them, all of the groups have executable permission right here. So now the script is ready. So now we can add this to the cron tab. In order to add a job to a cron job, you can use that take e flag. Currently it has no jobs, so let's add one. Now I think this is the what is called the root, the cron job file. So the cron job, this is like the basic structure of how the cron job is going to look like. Here as you can see, it has statics. What this means is that like how and when you want the cron job to be executed. This is the website named crontab.guru, and here you can see this expression, like if you pass statics for the minute, statics for the hour, expression, static for the day, as you can see, and static for the day. So this will be executing like every minute, and like if I change this to something like 1, it will be executing at every minute of 1. Now we can change this to 5 minutes. Let's leave that static. Now if I have a job that I want to execute every hour, as you can see, it is going to execute the first hour. Here you can create complex expressions like when you want that job to be executed. So yeah, we can use this expression like I want the job to be here. In my case, I want this job to be executed every minute, and write the current date to the file with the current date. So I can just copy this expression, and now I can add the cron job right here as well. But I want to create a file, and where I will pass this is called the expression that the cron job will be executing. So let's use nano to create a file. Let's say my cron tab. I already have it. So if I paste that expression, now here we can add like we which uh, uh, which software you want to execute the cron job with. So in the default one, we saw they were using the tar. So now we want to use the bash. So and then we will pass the path to that script. So currently it is this. If I type pwd, we will have to pass this path. So if I nano my cron tab again, and here I will pass that path. It is not the path. Let's copy this. The command for the shortcut key of copying files or content in Linux, Unix or Linux based system is Control Shift C. And let's go back to the crontab file, and I will paste that path. And here in the temp we have the file named script.sh. Now I will save this, and now we need to add this to the crontab. So now if I get my cron tab, it has mm, the expression or the cron job, but it is not in the cron tab. So cron if I type cron tab take L, we haven't added that job. So in order to add that, we can just directly do that by typing cron tab and then passing the cron tab path, the file that we created. So if I do this, and this is going to install the custom cron jobs in that cron tabs. So now if I type cron tab take L, as you can see we have that um, cron job added to that tab. So now it is going to create files every minute. So I think we can also, to make sure it is going to work, we can restart the system as well. Not the system, the cron job. So we can use systemctl, and instead of status, let's use the restart. And now we can check the status again. Now it is up and running. So let's wait for the minute. And also we can like watch the directory that we want to see, like where it is going to work or not. So we can type like watch and ls, and if there is any new file created, then we will know about it. Also we I think it is going to create like if I type cron tab take L, it's going to create that for my user. So if I type take you Kali, yeah, so it is for my user. So I can go to my profile, that is this one, and I can watch this directory. Yeah, and here we already have those, but I think these are old. because if I let's separate split the terminal. So here we will type like watch the directory, and here we will like try ls here and type the date. It is 148 and 148. So I think it already created that directory. So let's wait mm, for the next cron job execution time. So if I watch the date, it's going to watch the date and let me know about it. So it's following the date command every 2 seconds. You can see right here. So let's control X from here. Let's control clear the screen, and screen is like not logging good. So if I type watch ls again, oh, I'm in the wrong directory. So now I am the home directory. I will type watch ls. Yeah, it has three directories. So now now we know that like the script is working and it creates file. So if I type that, as you can see, it is now 49, and we already created that file with that name, which is this one. Now we can wait like if this is going to create another file with one of 50. So let's wait for that. I will type watch ls and let's see. And as you can see, it is right here as well. So it is 150, and it did created the file with that which is right here. So that's how you can create cron jobs in Linux based system. Now let's say I want to remove that, so I can like if I type crontab tag L, it is going to list out all those cron jobs that I have created. Now I can remove it by typing tag R, and now if I type tag L again, as you can see, we remove that cron jobs from the system. So that's how you can create cron jobs in Linux or Unix based system. Like most of the time, this is useful on the servers. Like you will have to execute cron jobs in order to do the repeated tasks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.